Hey, I have to admit I'm extremely excited for what I'm going to show you. More than a month ago I've been reached out by VITURE. For those who don't know, a company specialized in development of extended reality glasses, and guess what? I got one of these. Meet Luma PRO XR, a compact doorway into immersive visual and audio experience for both entertainment and productivity. Let's talk, but as always, first the question. Have you ever tried one of these babies? If you did, please share with me below. Hi friends and welcome to Digital Marketing. I'm the channel's host Marco, and this is your dose of latest Apple news, leaked information, tech rumors and product reviews. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and don't forget to enable all notifications so you don't miss the next video. This one is sponsored by VITURE. From the moment you set your eyes on the package, there is a feeling that the bar is already set high. With its extra layer on the box, the visual experience promises love on the first sight. Within, the case that holds the glasses, a bit of paperwork, charging cable, nose pads to adjust the glasses to your head, privacy stickers, and a cleaning cloth. The case gives away strong and resistant impression, even if it's relatively lightweight. No surprise, in hands, you can feel the premium build. With its modern design, the exterior of the glasses is made of translucent plastics that barely reveals its full metal aircraft-grade aluminum body with titanium hinges and some really impressive tech within. It's really mind-blowing for the product that weighs only around 80 grams. Let's start with the display panels. The Luma PRO XR offers ultra-crisp 1200p screens with 52 degrees field of view, giving you a 4K-like feel on 152-inch virtual display. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or just browsing the web, everything looks sharp and vibrant with the brightness that can reach up to 1000 nits peak. Audio-wise, Luma PRO glasses rely on Harman Kardon EFX spatial audio speakers that sound sufficiently clear and loud. Both brightness and volume can be modified by playing with multifunctional buttons on the left temple of the glasses. But that is not the only feature that you can make it more to your comfort. Luma PRO supports the -4D myopia adjustments thanks to the dials on the glasses for both eyes. The lenses are made with a new electrochromic film that can block external light, which does the job well even with direct sunlight. This can be turned off by a small button on the right temple, which I don't suggest. This would make sense if these were augmented reality glasses, which technically they are not. You can also order additional anti-reflective glass if you want though. Luma PRO glasses do not have a battery and can't work on their own, but rather rely on the energy from the device they are connected to via magnetic connector. On the front of the glasses, right on the bridge of the nose piece, there is a single RGB camera. By default, it's hidden by a sticker that should be peeled off. While you can use one of the reserved ones, this front-facing shooter is not a typical RGB, but rather a camera for spatial awareness and motion tracking features. Luma PRO supports plethora of devices, from iOS and Android over Macs and PCs to various gaming consoles. While you can definitely use Luma PRO out of the box when connected, its true potential shines once you install a Spacewalker, a software designated to complement VITURE's hardware. It allows users to seamlessly connect, manage, and customize their XR experience. Through the app, users can access different kinds of content like news and feeds, streaming and gaming services, browse web and galleries, and so on. Additionally, users can configure the different settings of the glasses and disable or enable features like, for example, head tracking, which requires a special adapter, at least for the iPhone. Although app virtual interface does give the impression it's a launcher, sadly it's not, so you can't install new apps or add new streaming service, for example. At least I couldn't. Via the phone you navigate the interface by using so-called laser pointer or the trackpad on the screen, which is my preferable method that recognizes 1 and 2 finger gestures. With my iPhone I was mainly watching Netflix and I have to admit it was an amazing experience. Whenever you are in in bed, at home, at the coffee shop, on the plane, somewhere outside, everywhere. I used my iPad to try out gaming. Although it was just Asphalt Airborne, it was great. Comparable to an iPhone, Mac does not require a special adapter to fully use Luma Pro capabilities. Spacewalker software behaves a little bit different when using a Mac. Right from the beginning, you've been offered different view options. I was using it like an ultra-wide panoramic display or as 3 displays side by side. I did have to lock specific movements in order to make it more comfortable for my business use. It does the job well, even if there have been some software glitches and hiccups and frequently needed recalibration. But the most impressive feature starts on my Mac when immersive 3D app goes on. I mean, this thing literally converts everything from 2D to 3D, and it does that quite well that I'm sad there is no way for me to show you that. Perhaps it's not perfect since there were some occasional errors on the edges of the main subject, but my photo library, game, or any video that I watch literally came to life. And seriously, big applause for that. Such a breathtaking experience is also available when I connect glasses to my iPhone too, with those conditions that I mentioned earlier. So before I started this review, I was a little bit hesitant. Initially, I was hoping this would be real AR that will function wirelessly with its own battery, but I was wrong, and this is my bad because I'm not a gamer and all I really want is glasses that will behave similar to an Apple Watch. Yet when I experienced the pleasure of watching movies on it, I kind of realized that I'm falling for it and I can see myself carrying this thing on my trips. Again, it's not a perfect product. There are some software glitches, head tracking can go crazy from time to time, occasional message on the phone stating that it's not connected to adapter when it is, are some of the aspects that will definitely need improvements. The glasses do get warm, especially on the right temple where connector is located. Kinda sad to see there are no flashing indicators on both ends of the glasses, which by the way are really cool and should get customization at any moment by now. In any case, I want to say thanks to VITURE for sending me these babies. Make sure you check the link in the description and in the pinned comments since there are more options available, as well as some exciting add-ons, especially if you are a gamer. That would be all. I hope you had fun watching this review. If you did, please subscribe, slap the thumbs up and turn on notifications. Thank you so much for watching Digital Markings. I'm Marco. Talk to you soon. Have an excellent day. Bye.